In this video, we provide a detailed demonstration of how you, as a super admin, can manage the charging stations within the platform. From creating access groups to generating unique EVSE IDs and setting up tariff profiles. Learn how to efficiently manage and optimize every aspect of the charging stations for your users. In the Charging Stations overview, you can find all charging stations linked to your platform. You can view which user, account, subscription, and location are linked. The setup indicates whether the charging station is fully configured. Activation pending means the charger still needs to be registered by the end customer. You can edit the charging station's details by clicking on the pencil icon. Via More, you have the option to perform a reset or unlock a cable. In the Charging Station Sessions tab, you will find all information about charging session on chargers linked to your platform. The overview shows when the session took place, the total volume, and the costs. Click the magnifying glass icon for more detailed information. It is possible to filter charging sessions by status, volume, and date. In the Detected Issues tab is an overview of all incidents found by the platform. For certain incidents, an alert is automatically sent via email to the owner of the charging station and sometimes also the installer. These incidents can be exported to a CSV file. If the platform no longer detects the incidents, the status will change to resolved. In the CPO EVSE IDs tab, you will find an overview of all generated EVSE IDs. These are unique identification numbers assigned to a charging station. The number is visible in mobile apps and is included with the charging session. We advise you to physically attach this number to the charging station using a sticker. In the platform, you can create unique EVSE IDs by clicking a Generate New Batch. Indicate how many numbers you want to generate. Then, you can export the list and send it to a sticker supplier. It's important to know that each EVSE ID has its own link to a web page. The supplier can convert this into a QR code. By scanning the QR code, your customers can request support or make an ad hoc payment. In the CPO Access Groups tab, you will find an overview of groups of charging cards or users that have special access to the chargers belonging to the account. In an access group, RFID charging cards can be added that allow free charging or users with a special charging rate. Create a new group by clicking the New Access Groups button. Select the account where the group should be visible. Choose the type. Do you want to create a group of charging cards that can charge for free? Select RFID tags. Do you want to add a group of existing charging card users who can charge at a special rate with their card? Then select Users. Decide whether everyone in the account can view the access group or only the account administrator. it is possible to modify the access group later. An end customer can also modify the access group. When adding an RFID charging card, the card's internal chip number must be entered in the token UID field. It is possible to import a group using a CSV file. With the tariff profiles functionality, it is possible to create a tariff for a larger group of charging stations. Click a tariff profiles in the menu for an overview of the created profiles. When you adjust the tariff for a group, this will be applied to all charging stations linked to this group. Besides bulk updating tariffs, it is also possible to use the tariff profile functionality to set a separate tariff for certain charging cards. Based on the provider ID, the system recognizes which tariff should apply. Click a Create New Tariff Profile to create a new profile. Choose the correct currency and enter a name. Then you have the option to choose a basic rate that consists of kilowatt-hour, time, and session fees. It is possible to set an idle fee. This fee is charged when the car is fully charged but still connected. With the first checkbox, you determine whether the tariff profile overrides existing tariffs. With the second checkbox, it is possible to set a custom tariff for a specific charging card provider. To assign a tariff profile to a charging station, go to the Charging Stations overview. Find the charging station and click on the pencil icon. Then click on Tariffs, select the tariff profile, and don't forget to save.